Look at the tusk on him. He's a pot-bellied pig. He's got great big tusks hanging out both sides of his mouth. Very dangerous animal. That come out of, what's the number of that house right there? What's the number of that house right there? Yeah, that's on
I don't know, it's not even a part of this block.
no, it's not a part of that. Yeah, that's on Wisteria. Yeah, the man with the goat. No, I don't know what he put in that trash, but he sure put something blue up in there. Looked like a fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher?
Looked like it. It's yellow. I don't know what kind of toxic crap that is. But all these people here on Wisteria, none of this is household garbage that they're throwing in here. Looks like there's a fire down on Garfield. I see smoke coming up. Yeah, I think there's a fire down on Garfield. There's a fire on Leghorn instead of Garfield. It's got all the cops got all the roads blocked off going to it.